The BL750 backhoe loader produced by Dig Dog Factory is designed for small construction projects and excavation type work. It also can be used in farm or other municipal engineering. The backhoe loader is an engineering and excavation vehicle that consists of a tractor, front shovel and bucket, and a small backhoe in the rear end. Due to the small size and versatility, the BL750 is very convenient, high efficiency, and more importantly, money-saving. You can lift or transport stuff by using the front bucket and on the same time diggers by using the rear bucket. It is adopted central handover with small turning radius and flexible operation. The BL750 backhoe loader are adopted 16 or 70-20 tiles, which produced by Henan Yelers, that is the most famous tile production factory in China.